The Limitations of Empirical Knowledge by Dave Marsland of Cardiff Theosophical Society. Empirical knowledge, rooted in observation and experience, has long been regarded as a foundation of human understanding. It allows us to make sense of the world around us through the senses and enables scientific progress. However, amidst its undoubted importance, it is crucial to acknowledge that empirical knowledge possesses inherent limitations that shape the boundaries of our comprehension. One of the central limitations of empirical knowledge lies in its inherent subjectivity. As humans, we view the world through our own unique lenses, influenced by our backgrounds, personal experiences, and existing belief systems. Consequently, this subjectivity can introduce bias in the data we collect, interpret and analyse. To mitigate this issue, researchers employ various statistical and methodological techniques to enhance objectivity, but complete elimination of subjectivity remains elusive. Therefore, it is essential to recognise that empirical knowledge is not devoid of the imprint of human subjectivity and bias. While empirical knowledge allows us to make significant strides in our understanding of the natural world, it is crucial to emphasise that it often provides only a partial perspective. Our current scientific frameworks are grounded in what we can observe and measure, leaving aspects of reality that elude our senses unexplored. For instance, the nature of consciousness, metaphysical concepts, and subjective experiences often lie outside the realm of empirical inquiry, generating gaps in our understanding. Thus, we must acknowledge that empirical knowledge, while invaluable, has its limits in illuminating the full picture of existence. Another critical constraint of empirical knowledge is its reliance on observation. While this method allows us to collect data and draw conclusions based on evidence, it is essential to recognise that not all phenomena are directly observable. Concepts such as dark matter or thoughts and emotions, which lack tangible forms, challenge the boundaries of empirical inquiry. Furthermore, complex systems like ecosystems or societies often exhibit emergent properties that cannot be fully understood through isolated observations. Therefore, the limitations of empirical knowledge become evident when faced with phenomena beyond the scope of direct observation. Empirical knowledge is constrained by temporality and context. Scientific investigations rely on data collected within a specific time frame and geographical or cultural context. Consequently, this contextualized data might not be universally applicable or accurate in different contexts. Moreover, the limitations of time restrict our understanding of long-term processes, evolution, and historical events. As a result, empirical knowledge provides an ever-shifting snapshot of reality, subject to change with new discoveries and evolving perspectives. Blavatskyan Theosophy does not reject empirical knowledge, but encompasses esoteric teachings and spiritual insights that go beyond the realm of empirical observation. It delves into metaphysical concepts such as reincarnation, the existence of higher planes of consciousness, and the interconnectedness of all beings. These aspects cannot be easily measured or tested through empirical methods. Therefore, while empirical knowledge has its merits in understanding the physical world, it may fall short in comprehending the intricate dimensions explored by Blavatskyan Theosophy. The limitations of empirical knowledge provide a nuanced perspective on the boundaries of human understanding. Recognizing the inherent subjectivity, incomplete nature, limitations of observation, and contextual constraints allows us to embrace a more comprehensive approach to knowledge acquisition. While empirical knowledge remains vital, acknowledging these limitations can encourage interdisciplinary collaborations, philosophical reflections, and exploration of alternative forms of knowing. By embracing these limitations, we pave the way for the pursuit of broader dimensions of knowledge, enhancing our understanding of the complex world we inhabit.